Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard social class video session, lesson 4, knowing my country India. Last session we learnt about some more information of our country India, what is the government and some important symbols of our country. In today's session we are going to learn about states of India and some more information about India. Shall we go for the session?
Children, let us recall the previous class. Our country is the responsibility of the Prime Minister. In this work, he is helped by a large group of ministers. This group of ministers together form the government. The Prime Minister is the head of the government that runs the country. The President is the overall head of the country. Our country is also made up of smaller areas called states. Our country is also made up of smaller areas called states. Each of these states has a chief minister who is responsible for the welfare of the people in the state. A chief minister too has a group of ministers to help him or her in this work. They form the state government. Children, do you know who is the present President of India? Yes, Ramnath Kovind is the present President of India. Who is the present Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi is the present Prime Minister of India. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Edappadi K. Palaniswamy is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Children, let us learn some more information about our country, India. India is a democratic country. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. About 1.2 billion people live in India. Do you know, children, what is the capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi, but the largest city is Mumbai. What is an official language of India? Hindi is the official language of India, with English as an additional official language. Do you know, children, what is the currency of our country? The currency of our India is the rupee. India is a place where many languages have been spoken by the people, and is a place of diversity of people, which means people have their own language and culture. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is the second most populous country, the seventh largest country by land area, and the most populous democracy in the world, bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the southwest, and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast, and the Himalayan on the north. India is a huge country, the seventh largest in the world in terms of area. The citizens of India are called Indians. There are 29 states in India. How many states? There are 29 states in India. Besides, there are special areas that are directly under the control of the central government. These are known as union territories. What is union territories? There are special areas that are directly under the control of central government. These are known as union territories. How many union territories are in India? There are 7 union territories in India. New Delhi is the capital of the country, is known as the National Capital Region. This is a map of our country, India. This shows us the states and capitals of our country, India. Here, the list of all the states and union territories of India. Children, let us learn the states or union territory of our country with their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is a union territory. Its capital is Port Blair. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Idanagar. Assam, its capital Dispur. Bihar, its capital Patna. Chandigarh, it is a union territory. Its capital Chandigarh. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, it is a union territory. Its capital Silvassa. Daman and Diu, it's a union territory. Its capital Daman. Delhi, it is a national capital region. Its capital is Delhi. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar. Haryana, its capital Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, its capital Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir, its capital Srinagar. Jharkhand, its capital Ranchi. Karnataka, its capital Bengaluru. Kerala, its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Lakshadweep, it is a union territory. Its capital is Guwahati. Madhya Pradesh, its capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra, its capital is Mumbai. Manipur, its capital is Impal. Meghalaya, its capital is Shillong. Mizoram, its capital is Aizawl. Nagaland, its capital is Kohima. Odisha, its capital is Bhubaneswar. Puducherry, it is a union territory. Its capital is Puducherry. Punjab, its capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan, its capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, its capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, which is our state, its capital is Chennai. Telangana, its capital is Hyderabad. Tripura, its capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, its capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand, its capital is Dehradun. West Bengal, its capital is Kolkata. Thank you, children. I hope you all understood this class clearly. Have a nice day.